It's funny.
Mom. That's not what I wanted to be, Mom.
Hey, she's our heavy one.
You gonna talk? Come here, Ab. Come here, Ab. Hi. Oh, okay.
Okay.
You'll let me pet you now.
And then I'm dredged out.
Hang on.
She's not quite awake yet.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a stretch.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
our back is still going.
Yep. But we do kitty quick to them and they know it doesn't bother them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna hunker down and get more comfy.
Oh, pet her the right way.
Pet her the right way. She's not gonna want you to pet her if you pet her the wrong way.
Oh. She's content with you. I'm gonna get Ellie Belly. That's Ellie's belly. Ellie Belly. No. Ellie Belly. Come on. Do Ellie Belly. Hey. Oh. Ellie Belly.
Yeah, it's totally fair.
You didn't
I
want
don't
Ellie.
want to.
Oh. What are you gonna do, Oars?
Careful.
Be
now.
gentle with her.
You gotta be nice to her. Okay?
You stiffened my hand.
Let her sniff. She's okay. Oh, I thought we were gonna do cold water. She's not.
She's kind of licking the side of the bowl.
She is. No, I thought she was gonna do her cold water thing.
Lily, good girl.
Good
Where's
girl,
her
Lily.
treats? Matthew, here.
What?
That's okay. That's okay. Well, I wanted something she would eat when we did things with
Right.
her. Right, Lolo? Do you want another pounce?
Oh, got your attention.
Oreo's just like, what are you doing?
Chuck there not last weekend, but the weekend before, and they were moving everything out.
Mm-hmm.
And then he came back, not in an Audi, but in an old Honda. And had a garbage bag and went upstairs.
Because the bedroom or the bathroom window is still open,
Oh, yeah.
and
Why isn't that moved? No, they're not there. Yeah, she moved, so. Bang, hanging out. It's just non-existent.
oh, they love it. It feels so
Sensory.
mm-hmm.
I'm like the Queen of Sheba sitting up there on. Kitty steps. Yep.
Listen, I gotta go video. I gotta go say goodbye to
Okay, I'll just get out.
my kitties. Bye, Oreo.
See, I need them.
Bye, Ellie.
I see myself footsie.
It's not a tree.